Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. This is a phenomenal plant. It's Cestrum parqui. It's been in bloom probably since April, and it will bloom continuously up until a hard frost in, at the earliest October, but probably more likely November or even early December. In a milder climate, it's a shrub. Here it goes to the ground every winter, or we choose to cut it to the ground to limit its size because it'd just be bigger than this. So all this growth was produced this spring. The flowers are visited by many pollinators, including hummingbirds. I don't see a single pollinator visiting right now because they're smarter than I am, and they're sitting inside by the air conditioner, whereas I'm outside and it's not that hot. It's maybe 95 or something like that. I am told that it is fragrant at night. I'm going to have to sneak in some night and check that out. There's other cestrums, such as Cestrum nocturnum, which are fragrant at night, and they have the common name of night jasmine. They are not true jasmines, but the cestrums are in the nightshade family, so the same family as deadly nightshade and tobacco, petunias, tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, and eggplants. So like many plant families, edible members and deadly poisonous ones, but we never bother to try to eat this plant. We grow it for its flowers. Some years it makes a lot of seeds. That's another reason to cut it to the ground. The seedlings don't travel far. They usually come up around mom, but we'll cut it to the ground just so we can remove the seeds from the garden before they're dropped. But a great summer perennial, blooming for many months, and growing in a sun to part sun location, fairly drought tolerant. This is the edge of the garden that doesn't get quite enough irrigation and looks a little bit tired, but in a normal year it wouldn't need any irrigation at all. So it's not a plant that needs a wet site, just an average site. So Cestrum parqui, great garden plant for both the floral display and for the pollinators it supports. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.